It's April 2025. We're about to head into the hottest real estate season right now. So I'm here to break down for you what you need to know, what's happened in this year so far, and what to expect that's coming in the next few months. Hi, and welcome to Invest with Jim, where you're gonna get real estate insights that no one else is sharing. Let's not waste time, let's dive right into the numbers, all right? So first things first, inventory, all right? Last month, we had about 4,887. As of the new month, we're at 4,890. So inventory is about the same, has not changed, but homes sold or actually closed out. This is the big one right here. Last month, there was only 1,357 homes closed, and this last month, there was 1,929 homes. So significant increase in closings, all right? The median list price went from 485 to 487 approximately. So very little change on the list price. With the sales prices, I mean, it went up about 4,000. It was 476K, went up to 480K. That's the median price, all right? And the days on market has changed literally zero, all right? 24 days last month, 24 days this month too, all right? And the price per square footage on these closings, we went from 258 up to 262. Price reductions, all right? Price reductions have also continued to increase. Last month, there was 2296 price reductions. This last month, 2575. So we're seeing more price reductions even. But the big news is the interest rates. So in the month of March, we had a significant dip in interest rates. We started the month around 6.76 and we ended near 6.135, all right? So this is just kind of an average of rates, all right? If you get more specific on the different loan programs, they could vary, but this is just the average, all right? By the way, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us out. Thanks. Now back to the video. Okay, so what do all these numbers mean, all right? So if you're looking to buy, keep these numbers in mind. It's the interest rate that I just mentioned. Last month, we started in the high sixes and we ended up in the low sixes by this time, all right? So what does that mean? Let's just say you're buying a house that's around 600,000, we'll say. This decrease in interest rates would have lowered your mortgage payment by $200 to $300 at least. That's significant. You're buying a house and you can lower your mortgage by $300. I mean, it's a good time to buy. I think we might even see lower rates coming too. So that's why I'm predicting that we're about to go into our busy season, right? Because right now rates are relatively low compared to the last couple of years. And right now the inventory is high. There's still a lot of incentives with the new home builders and everything else like that. So I think we're headed towards our busy months right now. So if you're thinking about buying, could find good deals out there right now, and rates could even get better. And if you're thinking about selling, well, the lower interest rates also helps you as well too, because I had spoken to a seller recently. We just listed their house for sale, and I was telling her that the rates had gone down, and she was saying, well, is that good for me or is that just good for buyers? And I explained it's good for buyers because it's reducing their monthly payment, but it's good for you as a seller because now buyers, they can qualify for more house, which would probably get you a little bit higher sale price on it, all right? Because let's face it, most people buying, especially with the mortgage, are only focused on the monthly payment mostly, right? So this would be good for you as a seller as well. In the month of March, our stock market got hit pretty hard too. So stocks are down, cryptocurrency is way down too. Things that are doing well are like gold, right? Because people are rushing out of the stock market and putting it into gold. And a lot of people are actually rushing back into the real estate market because these are kind of solid, tangible assets that you can own. And what I always tell people about gold versus real estate is if I own a house, I can live in it or I can rent it out and collect rent on it, all right? If you have a piece of gold or you own gold of some sort, it's great in value. However, you're not really able to rent it and generate income from it, all right? So that's just my take on it. If you want to discuss more, drop a comment below and I'd love to hear what you think about that. But I mean, real estate, safe bet, always has, always will be. Future outlook is we're about to go into our busy season in real estate. That's usually late spring, early summer. That's generally the busy season in real estate. I predict that to be the same this year, especially if interest rates stay down or even lower more. And that's pretty much it. On the personal side, my kids had a spring break. We did a family visit. We went to Hong Kong and China. I got to show them where, I was born and all that stuff. It was really cool. Let me know if you have any interest in me putting a little travel log together about my visit. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, this is a solid time to move right now. So reach out. I can help you navigate through all of this. I would love to connect with you and help you on your real estate investments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and share this video with somebody that would find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.